What number is this? Number 2 looks like a Mike. Hey, Mike. Chew my finger.
Is that one there too? Okay, which one is that one right there, that busy
number
one?
Number 2.
Yeah, you want the laid back one for Mike because he's going to go in the house.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, this one's like more laid back. These two want to bite my fingers. This little guy here is kind of gentle and easy going.
So that's number 1. He's spoken for them.
More aggressive. Look, see? See him? Look. So what number is this?
That's number 1.
Okay, number 1 could be a Mike.
Okay, number 1's Mike. Now we got left 2.
Look at this stupid puppy. Get into the water.
We got 2 and 3 are boys. See if you can play with them, Bill.
I can. They like
That's
to play.
2.
Hey, little puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey, little girl puppy.
Oh, there goes number 3. He wants to.
This little girl puppy's chewing on my finger, see?
There goes number 3. He's going to go back into. He wants to go check things out.
Look at him. Did you get that on film?
Yeah, I did. Number 1 is spoken for.
There's Mike. Is that Mike?
No, that's number 2.
Oh. Hi, puppies. They all look exactly the same.
I know. Is that number 1 right there?
Right here.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, that's number 1.
Yeah, that's number 1.
Let me see him.
This is number 2. Come here, little number 1 puppy. Come here, little guy. Hey. Come on. This is number 1 puppy. Number 1 guy puppy. Here he is.
Let me show me. Show me in the picture. Hold him up.
There he is. There's a little face.
Okay. There's number 2. Hold him up.
Where'd he come from? We thought he went through the...
No, number 3 is back in the other pen.
Right, this is number 2.
Okay.
The rest of these, I guess, are...
Girls.
girl puppies. Somebody miscounted them. I think it was me. You crazy guy, you don't even know the difference between little puppies, huh?
White dog's chasing butterflies. Who's laying in your arms, number 1?
And he went to sleep.
He did?
Yeah. Couch potato dog. He's got his arms crossed and...
There's little feet going like bent down, all relaxed.
Yeah, he bent down and went to sleep. He snuggled up and went to sleep.
Oh, look at that one. He says there's a giant in my way.
Absolutely a giant.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to go put the